Hello and welcome to Target MPPSC 2024. This is the second episode of the PYQ series. So let's begin. The first question is, which one of the following statements is not correct regarding the climate of Madhya Pradesh? First, climate of Madhya Pradesh is influenced by the Tropic of Cancer that passes in middle of the state. Gwalior is an example of subtropical climate with hot summer. Madhya Pradesh receive rainfall from Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Approximate 50% rainfall of the state by southwest monsoon. The correct answer is option D. That is, approximate 50% rainfall of the state is by southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon holds over the country during the summer monsoon season. During this time, the country receives nearly 75% of its annual rainfall. Next. Second, in which district of Madhya Pradesh the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through? Vidisha, Bhopal, Ujjain or Indore? Correct answer is option D, that is Indore. The Tropic of Cancer traverses through 14 districts in Madhya Pradesh, and these districts include Ratlam, Ujjain, Agar Malwa, Rajgarh, Shihor, Bhopal, Vidisha, Raisen, Sagar, Damoh, Katni, Jabalpur, Umaria and Shahdol. It does not pass through Indore and Bagalghat. Indore lies to the south of it. Next, third, which of the following rock contain coal and petroleum? Granite, igneous, metamorphic or sedimentary? Correct answer is option D, that is sedimentary. Both coal and petroleum are found in sedimentary rock formations. These rocks are formed from the accumulation of sediments over millions of years. Types of sedimentary rocks. First is shale, which is a fine-grained sedimentary rock that is a common source rock for oil and gas. Second is sandstone. It often acts as a reservoir rock where petroleum accumulates. Third, limestone. It can also serve as a reservoir rock for petroleum. Next, fourth, in which region of Madhya Pradesh the black soils are not found? They are not found. Malwa Plateau, Narmada Valley, Bagelkhand or Satpura Range? Correct answer is option C, that is Bagelkhand. In Madhya Pradesh, black soils are not found in the Bagelkhand region. Black soils, which are also known as the Regur soil or the black cotton soils, are predominantly found in the Malwa Plateau, Narmada Valley and the parts of the Satpura range. Next, fifth, which Indian state has recently radio tagged an Indian pangolin on the occasion of World Pangolin Day? Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand or Bihar? Correct answer is option B, that is Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh Forest Department for the first time has radio tagged an Indian pangolin, and the IUCN Red List, that is the status. So the status of IUCN status of Indian pangolin is endangered and Chinese pangolin is critically endangered. Next, sixth one, Srimati Durga Bai Vyam is associated with which tribal art? Gond tradition, Bhil tradition, Baiga tradition or Saharia tradition? Correct answer is option A, that is Gond tradition. Srimati Durga Bai Vyam, who hails from Mandla district of Madhya Pradesh, is a renowned artist known for her contribution to the Gond tradition of tribal art. She uses vibrant colors and depicts goddesses, rivers, trees and various animals in a contemporary style. She was awarded the Padma Shri in the year 2022 for her contributions to the art. Next, that is seventh, United Nations has declared the year 2023 as International Year of Millets, International Year of Wheat, International Year of Rice or International Year of Oil Seeds. Correct answer is option A, that is International Year of Millets. The United Nations has declared 2023 as the International Year of Millets. This declaration was made through a resolution which was introduced by India. The resolution received support from over 70 nations in the United Nations General Assembly. Next, that is 8th. On which date Vimukta Jati was denotified? Vimukta Jati was denotified. 31st August, 15th July, 15th September or 21st March. Correct answer is option A, that is 31st August. Vimukta Jati's Day is celebrated on 31st August in India by the denotified tribal communities. These communities were denotified in 1952, meaning they were removed from the list of criminal tribes under the British rule. So it was a very good day for them. Following their denotification, about 200 communities were included in the list of scheduled tribes, scheduled caste and other backward classes. Next, that is 9th. Shri Ram Sahai Pandey is associated to which folk dance art? Shri Ram Sahai Pandey, Rai, Bihu, Lavani or Nautanki. Correct answer is option A, that is Rai. Shri Ram Sahai Pandey is associated with the Rai folk dance. Rai is a traditional folk dance primarily performed by the Bedia community in the Bundelkhand region of India, particularly in the Madhya Pradesh and the Uttar Pradesh. Next, that is 10th. Which district has minimum sex ratio in Madhya Pradesh? So, minimum sex ratio in Madhya Pradesh: Balaghat, Dindori, Bhind or Chindwara. Correct answer is option C, that is Bhind. So, the districts with the minimum sex ratio in ascending order. So, this is given in ascending order: Bhind, Morena, Gwalior, Datia, Shivpuri. And the question is asking about the minimum sex ratio, so it goes in this direction. So the answer is Bhind. Next, that is 11th. Madhya Pradesh has been divided into how many agroclimatic zones? 9, 10, 11 or 12. Correct answer is option C, that is 11. So Madhya Pradesh is divided into 11 agroclimatic zones and 5 crop zones. So if we will talk about the 11 agroclimatic zones, so that is Chhattisgarh Plains, Northern Hill regions of Chhattisgarh, Kemore and Satpura Hills, Central Narmada Valley, Vindhyanchal Plateau, Girdh region, Bundelkhand zone, Satpura Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Nimar Valley and Jhabua Hills. So in total there are 11 agroclimatic zones and 5 crop zones. Next, with that is 12th. In which year Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, that is BHEL, has received the status of Maharatna Company? 2011, 2012, 2013 or 2014? Correct answer is option C, that is 2013. The government approved Maharatna status for Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, that is BHEL, and GAIL, that is Gas Authority of India Limited. This decision was communicated on 1st February 2013. Maharatna status provides these companies with greater financial and operational autonomy. So autonomy that is of financial and operational type. Next, that is 13th. In which city of Madhya Pradesh Indira Gandhi Tribal University is located? Maheshwar, Amarkantak, Morena or Datia? Correct answer is option B, that is Amarkantak. Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, was established by an Act of Parliament. It was created under the Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Act 2007 and became operational in July 2008. It is fully funded. It is completely funded by the central government through the UGC, that is the University Grants Commission. Next, that is 14th. Which of the following city of Madhya Pradesh is also known as the Copper City? That is Jagandheri, Chakriya, Himalaya or Malachkhand. So the correct answer is option D, that is Malachkhand. So Malachkhand is known as the Copper City of Madhya Pradesh. It is home to one of the largest copper mines in India. One of the largest copper mines in India. The Malachkhand Copper Project is operated by Hindustan Copper Limited, that is HCL, and the mine is situated in the Bagalghat district of Madhya Pradesh. Next, that is 15th. Important concepts introduced in IT Act 2000. Electronic record, digital signature, certifying authority or all of the above. Correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. So the Information Technology Act 2000 has provisions for use of digital signatures on the documents submitted in electronic form in order to ensure the security and authenticity of the documents filed electronically. This is secure and authentic way to submit a document electronically. So the answer becomes all of the above. Next, that is 16th. Auctions or dynamic pricing markets are examples of B2B commerce, C2B commerce, C2C commerce, or none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is C2C commerce. Auctions or dynamic pricing markets are examples of C2C commerce. C2C stands for consumer to consumer commerce. In C2C commerce, transactions occur directly between consumers, often facilitated by a third party platforms. So, it occurs directly between consumers. These platforms allow individuals to buy and sell goods and services directly to each other. Next, that is 18th. A database that contains the names and address of various hosts on internet is called domain name service, domain name system, DNS file system, or none of the above. The correct answer for this is option B, that is domain name system. The domain name system is a database that maps internet domain names to their corresponding IP addresses, and the components of it are DNS resolver, which is a server that responds to user queries, then authoritative DNS server. It provides answers to queries about domains under its control. Then root DNS server. It directs queries to the appropriate TLD DNS servers. Next, which is 19th. Which of the following district does not have Baiga Development Agency? Which district does not have it? Malda, Shahdol, Raisen, or Bagalghat? Correct answer is option C, that is Raisen. Baiga Development Agency is an initiative which is aimed at the welfare and development of the Baiga tribal community. The agency focuses on various aspects such as education, healthcare, livelihood, and preservation of Baiga culture. Mandla, Shahdol, and Bagalghat districts have Baiga development agencies to support the Baiga population residing there. Raisen district does not have a Baiga development agency. So Raisen district does not have it. Next, which is 20th. In which of the following region Tura Kalangi folk drama is famous? Tura Kalangi. Malwa, Nimar, Bundelkhand, or Baghelkhand? Correct answer is option B, that is Nimar. Tura Kalangi is a distinctive folk theatrical tradition that is popular in Madhya Pradesh. It is popular in Rajasthan and some parts of Madhya Pradesh such as Nimar region. This theatre form was formed jointly by two saints named Tukhangir and Shah Ali. Next, that is 21st. Which of the following inscription known as the first advertisement of the world? First advertisement of the world. Dashpur inscription, Sohgara inscription, Supia inscription, or Iran inscription? Correct answer is option A, that is Dashpur inscription. So the first advertisement in the world was written in Sanskrit in Dashpur or Mandsaur of Madhya Pradesh. This advertisement was written by some businessmen to promote the silk sari sales. So the sales of silk sari, to increase that. Next, that is 22nd. Which of the following is not a famous painter of Madhya Pradesh? Not a famous painter of Madhya Pradesh. Narayan Sridhar Bindre, Vishnu Ohinchalkar, Nana Saheb Panse, or Amritlal Bigad? Correct answer is option C, that is Nana Saheb Panse. Nana Saheb Panse was not a painter but a court musician. So he was not a painter, he was a musician. He is famous for his Pakvaj Singh and talk. He learned to play the Pakvaj from Rajasthani Brahmin Jodh Sinha. Next, the federal system proposed under the Government of India Act 1935, All India Federation, Federation of India, United India, Indian Confederation. Correct answer is option A, that is All India Federation. The Government of India Act 1935 proposed the creation of an All India Federation which would consist of British Indian provinces and princely states. The federation was intended to establish a federal structure with a division of powers between the central authority and various provinces and states. Next, that is 24th. Mandata was the ancient name of which pilgrimage center? Kamadgiri, Omkareshwar, Amarkantak or Maheshwar? Correct answer is option B, that is Omkareshwar. Mandata is famous for the Omkareshwar temple, which is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Lord Shiva. The island is shaped like the Hindu symbol Om and is a major pilgrimage site, attracting devotees and tourists from across the country. It is located near the town of Khandwa in Madhya Pradesh and is known for its spiritual and historical significance. Next, that is 25th. In which meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India did Jawaharlal Nehru lead the objective resolution? Second, third, fourth or fifth? Correct answer is option B, that is third. Jawaharlal Nehru led down the objective resolution in the third meeting of Constituent Assembly of India. The objective resolution outlined the aims and aspirations of the Indian Constitution and served as a guiding principle for the drafting process. This resolution was later adopted on January 22nd, 1947 and became the preamble to the Constitution of India. Next, that is 26th. Which of the following is required under Article 108 of the Constitution of India to summon a joint sitting of the two houses of Parliament? Intention of the President, satisfaction of the President, instruction of the President or consent of the President? Correct answer is option A, that is intention of the President. If the President, in accordance with Article 108 Clause 1, has indicated the intention to convene a joint session of the Houses, neither House will continue without the bill. However, the President retains the authority to call for the joint session at any time after issuing the notification. Next, that is 27th. The Indian Parliament consists of President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Parliament is the supreme legislative body of India. The Indian Parliament comprises of the President and the two houses, that is Rajya Sabha, that is Council of States, and Lok Sabha, that is House of the People. Next, that is 28th. Which article of Indian Constitution abolish untouchability? Article 14, Article 15, Article 17 or Article 19? The correct answer is option C, that is Article 17. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution abolished untouchability, forbade its practice in any form and made enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability an offence punishable in accordance with law. Next, that is 29th. Atal Pragati Path is related to Mandsaur, Nimuch region, Dhar, Jabua region, Mandla, Jabalpur region or Gwalior, Chambal region. Correct answer is option D, that is Gwalior, Chambal region. Atal Pragati Path is a 4-lane expressway with the length of 313 km. It is part of Bharatmala project. It connects Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, it passes through Shiopur, Morena and Bhind, which are part of Chambal region. Next, that is 30th. In which region of Madhya Pradesh solar floating project of 600 megawatt capacity is proposed? Gandhi Sagar, Omkareshwar, Amarkantak or Bargi? Correct answer is option B, that is Omkareshwar. A floating solar project with a capacity of 600 megawatt is said to be constructed on the Omkareshwar Dam situated on the Narmada River. This initiative will take place in the Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. Next, that is 31st. Player of Madhya Pradesh, Chinky Yadav is associated with which sport? Shooting, swimming, hockey or cricket? Correct answer is option A, that is shooting. Chinky Yadav is an Indian sports shooter. She secured a quota place for India at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. She is Madhya Pradesh's first athlete to secure world number 1 rank. Next, 32nd. Player of Madhya Pradesh, Vivek Sagar is associated with the sports of shooting, archery, hockey or cricket. Correct answer is option C, that is hockey. Vivek Sagar, hailing from Madhya Pradesh, is a prominent hockey athlete. He specializes in the midfielder position within the Indian national team. Vivek Sagar is recognized for his skills and contribution to the sport. Representing Madhya Pradesh, he has made significant strides in his hockey career. Next, that is 33rd. With which missile was Ranjit Singh related? Ahluwalian, Dale Vahyan, Kanhaiya, or Shukar Chakia? Correct answer is option D, that is Shukar Chakia. So the Shukar Chakia missile was one of the 12 major Sikh missiles that played a significant role in the history of Punjab during the 18th century. The leaders and proponents of the Shukar Chakia missile included notable figures such as Sardar Charat Singh, Mahasingh, Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Next, that is 34th. The Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission shall consist of maximum 4 members, 5 members, 6 members or 7 members. Correct answer is option B, that is 5 members. As per the Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission Conditions of Service 1973 Rule Section 3.1, the commission shall consist of not more than 5 members. The governor may appoint any one of the members as its chairman, not more than 5 members. Next, that is 35th. Virtual keyboards protect the computer against password theft, Trojan programs, spyware, or all of the above. The correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Virtual keyboards are software-based keyboards that appear on a device screen, allowing users to input text by tapping on the keys displayed. They are commonly used on touch screen devices such as smartphones, tablets, and some computers. So this was the second episode. Of PYQ, that is previous year question series, and we will be coming up more episodes like this. So stay tuned with us. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।